Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can control your story on Messenger. So all you have to do now is open the settings on your Messenger. You can scroll down and tap on privacy and safety. Here you can scroll down again and see this is what people see options. The last option is story control. Choose who can see your stories. You can tap it. Here, your story will be visible for 24 hours on Messenger and Facebook. You can choose a public, anyone on Messenger or Facebook can see your story, friends only, your Facebook's friends, or custom. Choose who can see your story here. And also you can hide story from your friends, one of your friends or some of your friends, and story you have mute. And here, new stories notification dot is turned on by default, and show a notification dot on the stories tab when friends share new stories. Feel free to try to adjust who can share your story. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click that button below. See you in the next video.